You have your eyes wide open and your mirrors perfectly set. Yet there is always a spot on each side of you to which all eyes and mirrors are blind. Luckily, blind spot blindness is a thing of the past thanks to side assist radars, a system that detects an object in the so-called blind spot and warns you about it immediately. Side assist, another clever feature to make your journey safer. To activate side assist, press the car button on your steering wheel to access the assistant systems. Use the scroll button to select side assist and press the scroll button to switch the system off or on. Alternatively, you can navigate to Menu, Assist Systems, tap on Side Assist, where you can also adjust the brightness of the signal on the mirror. We wish you safe travels with the Side Assist, and we hope you're enjoying your new ŠKODA.
ŠKODA. Simply clever.